What's up, babes? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a mini get ready with me. We're kind of going to be playing in some makeup, trying some old products, trying out some new products, and also getting into the details of this hair, honey. All of that in that order. One thing for sure, when I sit down and film, y'all, some gonna be ashy, whether that's my hands or my lips. And today's episode is both. I have got to do better about putting on lotion, y'all, because I'm literally gonna be that old lady that has the driest skin ever if I don't get my stuff together real bad. Now I'm ready. So in today's video we are going to be using some new products. I'm super chill in this video, you guys, so it's a chill little vibe. It's kind of late at night, you know. I'm just chilling, period. The girls that get it. We are going to be doing makeup, but we're also going to be using some new products, maybe new colors. I'm just kind of winging it. Like, I'm just winging it. It's been a minute. Every time I sit down I say that, but it has been a minute. We are going to go ahead and start with the brows first. Now for my brows, I just want a super natural look, you guys. So I think I'm going to be using this right here. This is just the Benefit Gimme Brow, and it is just a brow volumizing fiber gel. So it's just to make your brows simply look fuller. This is the mini. I have the number 6. I think the number 6 is the darkest shade. I bought the mini because they had like buy something get something free, and I wanted to try it. Oh wow, this is definitely giving mini. Do y'all see how small this is? But I just want something really natural with my brows. I really don't want to do much to them, so we're gonna try this out for the first time. And now that I actually have brows, I think this is going to be kind of nice. It definitely made my brows kind of like look super up. I think it's the unit, honey. This unit gave me a whole facelift. Like, my brows are looking so bitchy and I love them. So I did bring my brow pencil over here, and I am going to just kind of fill in where I don't really have much hair. I feel like my brows seem really dark right now, but it's probably just because I have this red hair. So I may go in and add some red in my brows just so I won't look crazy, because I feel like it's giving crazy right now. But we're gonna chill on that. Now that the brows are done, I'm not doing anything really crazy with the eyes or anything, so we're moving right into the face, honey. So for primer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. one. So this is just the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And like I said, well, I didn't get a chance to say, but I am using new products as well as products that I have not used in a long time. So we're mixing a little bit of old with a little bit of new. I just kind of scoop a little bit out with my finger. I actually really do enjoy using this primer. I just kind of forget about it sometimes. Maybe because it's not as easy to use and accessible, because you got to do the most to get to it. But that's neither here nor there, honey. Now that my face is primed, for my foundation, I'm using this one from NYX. This is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Girl, I still got primer on my hands. So this is a full coverage foundation. I got the shade Cappuccino. I tried this foundation when it first came out, but I do believe, God, I can't even open it. I think that I'm trying a different shade. So let's see what it gives. It's been so long since I've used this foundation, y'all. I hope it gives full coverage. I look like a Oompa Loompa in this monitor. This is giving Fenty Beauty 400 on me. That's what it's giving. It's pretty though. Really, really nice coverage. I could kind of go for another layer. You know what? Let's go for it. just a little bit more. So for my concealer, I'm going to be using this right here. This is just the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. I have not used this concealer in a minute, girl. It's a really nice concealer. Although I do like to mix it with a more mattifying concealer like Tarte Shape Tape, maybe the Elf concealer, something like that, because it does leave me with a little bit of dew as the night go on. But I'm totally okay with it. We going for like a natural kind of makeup look anyway. Blend that out. And I'm also going to blend it on my eyelids too, just so everything can look nice and together, honey, as one. And I'm just blending out the edges first, and then we blend out this portion. To set my highlighted areas, I'm taking this, oh, my neck. This Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So I've tried this before, just not the shade. I had the shade Honey. I tried the shade Cashew. I like the powder itself, but I do feel like I needed a brighter shade because I wanted to use this underneath the eye. I've actually never tried like setting powders, like loose setting powder, all over the face as far as I can remember. So I'm just tapping out the excess back of my arm, and I'm just gonna set it and forget it, honey. It does not take much. This is really nice. Like, this is smooth, honey. It's definitely giving filter. Girl, I think I have a new favorite powder, honey, because this is giving, yeah. So I have my soft focus powder. I don't know which shade I want to use. This one's creamy bronze. I think the foundation shade looks nice though. And this one is milk chocolate brown. I think we're gonna go with this one, or should we? No, we're gonna go with this one, especially since I'm kind of getting my color back. So this is the shade that I normally use, creamy bronze finish. Girl, this foundation is so beautiful, because now thinking about it, I really didn't even need any setting powder, because this foundation literally sets down to a powder. I literally love, why do I keep saying literally? I love how matte my face is looking right now. I love it. So going in with bronzer, this is Juvia's Place bronzer. This is in the shade Dark. I got these two colors right here. Love this color, but I really love this color. That's how much I've been loving bronzer, girl. Can we get the summer tan back? Because I was really feeling it. Oh, well, this one's showing up. This is the lighter shade. Yeah, that's pretty too. It literally looks like I'm wearing a filter, honey. We love it. So this is gonna be my first time trying this. I tried the Juvia's Place's blush palettes in the past, but I had to have this one, you guys. This is the volume 1 edition. That's what it looks like. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. And I had to have this, y'all, because if you know, like, I love 2 color blushes, like a beautiful mauve pink and an orange. And guess what, girl? She got both. So freaking beautiful. And I think I'm gonna use this just to kind of go along with the hair. I think I should. Yeah, definitely. So we're using the mauve shade. Hella pigmented. Y'all know I be going crazy on blush, honey. Let's get the nose snatched. And I'm also just kind of blending it into my crease as well, honey. A little bit of highlighter using this Master Chrome one. I put this one down for the Essence one. but this one is still cute. And I do think that I'm gonna actually use a little bit of highlighter on my cheeks today. Tell me to stop before I get crazy. We're gonna fill in the mole. I was actually supposed to be trying this eyeliner out, but ain't no way. Ain't no way. My face is already done, honey. And the faces left no crumbs. So I just have these lashes from AliExpress. You guys know I ordered them in bulk. They have become my favorite. Like, they literally have super pretty. I love how curled they are. I love these lashes. So I'm gonna pop these on, and then we'll be back to jump into the lips and finish up the eyes too. This face is definitely giving full B, honey. It just kind of happens over here on this channel. So for my lip liner, I'm using this one from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Ellery. I wonder if they actually still have this, or if it's discontinued. Girl, what did I do? I do want to say, I feel like this foundation is super matte, so if you have like oily skin, I definitely will not use this. And I also feel like, I mean, not oily skin, y'all know what I mean. I meant dry. I'm noticing that it's kind of clinging to like some of my dry patches. So this probably will be mixed, it probably will mix good with Too Faced Born This Way, because that one is really hydrating on me. This lip liner is super pretty, girl. Look how big my lips. I mean, we know they big anyway, but we love a nice and full lip, honey. People is paying for lips like this. Do you hear me? Paying for it, period. So for my gloss, because I'm just gonna use a liner and a gloss tonight, I'm using this Fenty Beauty Heat Hot Cherry. Y'all know I love Hot Cherry if you watch my vlogs. And this is, and if this is not your first time watching my channel, so this is what it looks like. It's just a red gloss that's so yummy. Ugh. This is so pretty. I feel like this lip is giving 90s, honey. That's exactly what it's giving. Everybody wore lip gloss and lip liner with no lipstick, no nothing, honey. Just that. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna go spray my face. I'm gonna go run the flat iron through my hair one more again, and then I'll be back. Like, I love this hair. It's so pretty. I actually love the cut on it, but I just kind of want to make it a little bit more blunt looking. I don't know. Should I do it? I'm afraid I'm gonna mess it up. I don't know, but I'm kind of afraid, but who cares? That's a little bit better. It didn't do much, but it gave a little. As promised, I'm gonna give you guys the details on this unit. So like I said, this is from Elfinhair. They sent me so many goodies inside of my bag, you guys, and I love that their quality. Okay, like it's the little things for me. So I do love this edges brush. Like, do y'all see how big? Like, this is not the normal cheap one that everybody give you. Okay, this is a really nice one. It's a really big brush and comb. Okay, comb on one side, brush on one side. And then I also love that they gave me a rat tail comb. I feel like I can never have enough of these, and it's quality. Okay, this ain't no cheap okay, it's quality. Definitely using that. They also gave us some wig caps. We get two different well, 2 wig caps, 1 pack. Y'all know what I'm saying. So this is just some pretty much instructions and care for the hair, the do's, the don'ts. Y'all probably can't see it. Just giving you some recommendations what you should style and wash, curl, and dye the hair with. Wow. There are different curl patterns of the units that they offer. Wow. I love this, Elfin. Okay, I see y'all. And they also give you lashes, and not cheap lashes, sis. Like, these are the mink lashes you can get off AliExpress. These are not faux mink. These are real mink. Okay, so this unit is a 13 by 4 14-inch bob. Love, love, love this, you guys. I did not know how I felt about the color, but I realized that I have done this color before all over, and it was absolutely beautiful on me, so I couldn't wait to try it as a side part this time. So this is the color Burgundy 99J. That's what it's linked as on their website. I will be sure to link the direct link to this unit in the description bar. That was a lot of link, okay, but it's gonna be down there. So anyways, I took this unit straight out of the box. I did not wash it or anything. I literally just put it on my head, okay? It was honestly not much to do to this unit, I will say, at all. Like, I did a little bit of plucking because I feel like the hairline, I wanted to kind of customize it a little bit more, because it was kind of the lace frontal that have like the little widow's peak. Y'all know what I'm talking about if you walk lace units. So it had like the widow's peak, so I had to cut or pluck a little bit of that area, a little bit on the side, not a whole lot of plucking at all. I love, love, love how flat this lace is. I did not have to do much with my hot comb at all to get this unit to lay flat. Like, she flat, like no bumps, no lumps. This is a good size cap fit for my head, not too big, not too small. The only thing that I will say about this unit is that I wish it was 14 inches or longer all the way around. I'm not really a huge fan of bobs on me just in general, because I don't really know what to really do to it, because I feel like I could have like cut it, but the back is naturally a lot shorter. Whoever cut this unit did a really, really good job on it, but I'm just not a bob kind of girl. I would have just preferred this to be like a blunt cut or even longer, but I love it. I love the color, love the unit. The lace is absolutely gorgeous, nice and transparent. I did use a little bit of lace spray to get it to melt better with my skin tone. All of that, the usual things. I used the Eben in the black can to get this unit to lay down and melt. Did a few heavy baby hairs, because I've been into that lately on this side. Nothing really in the front. And that's this bob, honey. Nice and simple. Like I said, everything will be linked down in the description bar below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing me try out some new things, some old things, and trying out this beautiful unit, because this hair has so much body, girl. It's giving body. Okay, this is nice. I like it. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about me being a redhead for a minute. I think it's cute. Different but cute. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. On your way out, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so you can become an angel babe. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.